the contact paper, there's a line, but that's okay. It doesn't bother me that much because it's a straight line, so that's nice. And yeah, I think I'm gonna paint the edge something neat. I don't know. Haven't decided what color yet. Hello. Welcome to my new desk. It's pretty exciting. I feel more inspired now that I can just sit on an actual chair and draw on an actual desk. Before, I was literally drawing on the floor, maybe on my coffee table, and sometimes like at my computer desk, which was always like really cramped. So it's nice to just have like a designated spot for all of my art. I came up with the design kind of like at the last second. We were in the lumber section of Menards, and we were looking at wood, and I fell in love with the aspen. It's really bright. It just seemed welcoming. If wood can do that, that's what aspen did to me, was be welcoming. And I also bought contact paper and I put it on, as you saw, and it just all came together perfectly. And I just love it. It's just a landscape of creativity waiting. So yeah, I filmed my first doodling and I wanted to share it with you guys because I was so excited. So I hope you like that, and I'll see you at the end of the video. I forgot this was flavored water. I don't know if you guys noticed that at the stores. There's been a lot of options for flavored water. This is strawberry and blackberry. It's really good. I recommend it, especially if you hate water. I know a lot of people hate water. I love water, but whatever. It just adds that flavor to make it exciting. I always think of it as like you have like a Powerade in the water bottle, right? And you drink the Powerade, and then you filled up that used water bottle with water, and then you have like that leftover taste of Powerade still in it. That's kind of like what this is. So it's not like some major breakthrough flavored water. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed making the little snake. He's in the corner over there. It was fun, and I'm gonna do more snakes because I'm obsessed now. We'll just keep doing them until I hate them, which will never happen. I won't ever actually hate a snake. I'll just hate drawing them. Also, eventually I'll finish this art one day. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the art. Hope it was inspiring. Hope you doodled with me because it's kind of a longish video. And I hope you enjoyed the music. Check the links in the bio because, I don't know, I like them. I listen to them leisurely because they're fun and whatever. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna go now. This is a weird outro, so. Oh yeah, I didn't mention this. I put this screen up. I got this from my parents' house when I went down to visit them. They didn't want it anymore, so I was like, I will take it. And I use it to hide the mess behind me so I can maintain my YouTube aesthetic. Got the fairy lights, the random art in the background, and this. Okay, bye.